Welcome my dear students for this MOOC course on Abhidhamma for the Swayam platform. Today we are going to discuss the module on the concept of psychic factors. Technically it is called as Chaitasika. The main objective of this module course is twofold: to understand the concept of psychic factor, Chaitasika, and its establishment in the Dhammasangani, the first book of Abhidhamma Pitaka. The consciousness is not independent unit, but it is the composition of so many psychic states, which are called as psychic factors, Chaitasika. The literal meaning of Chaitasik is that which belongs to the mind or consciousness. Chittam sahajata iti Chaitasikam. In fact, psychic factors arise together, cease to function together, arise on the same object and function on the same base. Therefore, Chaitasikas are coexistent factors with that of consciousness. In the Abhidhamma Sangho, it has been defined as Ekkupad Nirodhacha Eka Lamban Vathuka Cheto Yutta Dvipanyas Dhamma Chaitasika Mata. The Chaitasikas or psychic factors are 52 in number, broadly divided into three main divisions: Samana Chaitasik, which are 13 in number, Akusala Chaitasikas, which are 14 in number, and Sobhana Chaitasikas are 25 in number. Altogether, there are 52 types of psychic factor or Chaitasikas. Now we are going to discuss Samana Chaitasik. They are 13 in number, divided into two parts, Sabchitta Sadharana and Pakinnak. Saman is defined as Sam Saman Samana. That is, those Chaitasikas or psychic factors which are like other Chaitasikas is Samana Chaitasik. Udhach is of only a Kusala nature, that is, they can be associated only with Akusala Chitta. Similarly, Saddha, Chaitasik is only of the Sobhana nature, that is, they will be associated only with Sobhana Chitta. It means that Uddhach, Saddha, etc. can never be of other nature. That is to say that if they are Akusala, they will remain Akusala. If they are Kusala, they will remain Kusala. But the 13 Chaitasikas, namely Phasa, Vedana, etc., become Kusala when they are associated with Akusala Dhammas, and they become Akusala when they are associated with Akusala Dhamma. Sobhan is Anya in comparison to Sobhana, and Asobhan is Anya in comparison to Sobhana. Those Chaitasikas which are like this Anya is called as Samana Chaitasika. Those Chaitasikas which are like this Anya is called Samana Chaitasika. Sobhana Upekhai Itara Pekhai Sobhana cha Anye Nama Na Udhach Saddha Adayo Biya Akusal Adisa Sabhai Va Evati Samana. Sabchitta Sadharana Chaitasik are available with all the types of consciousness by their nature, so it is known as Sabchitta Sadharana Chaitasik. Samanam Dharanam Yesam Ti Sadharana Sabchitta Sadharana. They are 7 in number: Phasa, Vedana, Sanya, Chetana, Ekaggata, Jivitindriyam, Manasikaro, Cheti Satima Chaitasika Sabchitta Sadharana Nama. The Pakinnik Chaitasikas are such which are no doubt available in all the bhumij or spheres of consciousness, but they are not available with all the consciousness. They are scattered and in a scattered way found with all the bhumij of consciousness. They are 6 in number: Vitak, Vichar, Adhimukho, Viryam, Piti, छंदो छाती छ इमे चेतसिका पकिन्नक नाम. In this way, there are 13 Ai Saman Chetasika. It has been said in connection with Ai Saman Chetasika that Sat Savat Yajanti Jatha Yogam Pakinnak Chuddasa Akusalasu Eva Sobhanesu Eva Sobhana. Now we are going to discuss Akusala Chetasika. The Akusala Chetasikas are 14 in number, namely Moha, Ahirikam, Anuttappam, Udhacham, Lobho, Ditti, Mano, Doso, Issa, Macharyam, Kukucham, Thinnam, Middham, Vichikitcha, Chedi, Chuttasime, Chetasika, Akusala Nama. Out of them, 4 are such which are available with all the Akusal type of consciousness, and hence they are called as Akusal Sadharana. The remaining 10 are such which are available with the immoral consciousness variably. Sobhana Chetasikas are put into 4 divisions: Sobhana Sadharana, Viratiyo, Appamaya, and Panya Indriya. Out of 25, there are 19 types of psychic factors which are called as Sobhan Sadharana because they are available with all the Sobhan types of consciousness, namely Saddha, Sati, Hiri, Uttappa, Alobho, Adoso, Tatra Majhata, Kaya Pasaddhi, Chitt Pasaddhi, Kaya Lahuta, Chitt Lahuta, काय मुदिता, चित्त मुदिता, काय कमय्यता, चित्त कमय्यता, काय पागुय्यता, चित्त पागुय्यता, काय उजुक्ता, काय उजुक्ता. चेती एकुन विशिष्ट में चेतसिका शोभन साधारणा नाम. The 3 psychic factors are called virati because they have the function of refraining viranam. Virati. They are 3 in number: Samma Vacha, Samma Kamanto, Samma Ajivo, Cheti Tisso Viratiyo Namo. Again, Karuna and Mudita are 2 types of Apamayayo. Karuna, Mudita, Pan Apamayayo Nama Ti Sabathapi. Apamaya means illimited tables, the length of which is not limited. They can be practiced with any number of beings. Nathi pamanam etassati apamano apamane bhava apamaya. The last division of the Sobhana Chetasika is Panya Indriya, which means Panya. Pakare na janati iti Panya. Panya va Indriyam Panya Indriyam. It is in this way, with the wisdom, these 25 mental states are in every way to understand as beautiful. Panya Indriyena Saddhi Panch Visati me Chetasika Sobhanati Viditabba. It is in this way 13 types are common to each other, that is the Ai Samana. 14 are common to immoral, that is the Akusala, and 25 are beautiful, that is the Sobhana. Thus, 52 types of psychic factors have been enumerated in the following verse. Teras Ai Samana cha Chuddasa Akusala tatha Sobhana Panch Visati Duipanya Sapauchare.